Okay, so as I said, so we were talking about the planned holiday. As I said, there was a planned holiday done and just before 1966. Okay, because as I said, the third five-year plan was not achieved completely, and there was a problem going on because if you see, like the when we are talking about a planned holiday, so planned holiday was very important because, and this duration of planned holiday was from 1966 to 69. Okay, and as I said, this started just after the third five-year plan, so 1966, and again there was a big problem again arise from 1960, 66, after the China World War, also the China war with India. We had a very big problem, and definitely we were not being able to achieve the growth rate. So the government decided a welfare program by the government of India, which is called as the planned holiday, if you can see there. And the duration of the planned holiday was from 1966 to 1967, 1969. So what was the main reason? So let me write down. The main reason was the Indo-Pakistan war and the failure of the third plan. So if you remember, there was a big problem because they were also planning in the third plan. They had also decided with the Mahalanobis plan, and there was a lot of problems in the third plan. So they thought of taking a break, taking a sabbatical break, and that is what is called as the planned holiday, because there was a lot of problems going on, China war, and then growth rate was not achieved, and focusing on industry. So there was food shortage of food was there, so lots of problems, and moreover there was Indo-Pakistan war. So that is why there was a planned holiday which was a duration from 1966 to 69, just concentrating on the welfare and on the war. Okay, so that is why till 1966 to 69 there was no plan. Now let's come to the next one. So the fourth five-year plan. Yes, so the fourth five-year plan. Okay, now its duration was from 1969 to 1974. Okay, now there were two main objectives of this plan. So the first one was growth with stability. Okay, and the second one was progressive achievement of self reliance. Okay, now in this plan it is a very important because there was a slogan in this plan called as Garibi Hatao. So Garibi Hatao means it is given, this was an election. In the elections, this slogan was given by Indira Gandhi. Okay, in 1971 she had said this. Okay, and the main motive was to growth with stability, progressive achievement of self-reliance, and she had given the slogan called as Garibi Hatao, which was a speech which she had given in the year 1971. Now the story is what happened to the fourth five-year plan. So yes, let me just continue writing this. Now if you talk about it, is that this plan, that is this plan of fourth five-year plan could not achieve a growth rate of 3.3%. See, we had again gone down because we thought of reducing it. So that is why, as I said also, if you can see that the growth rate was reduced to 3.3% only against the target of 5.7%. Okay, now coming to the next one we will talk about is the fifth 5-year plan. So just let me rub this. Yes. So fifth 5-year plan. Okay. So this I need to see also. Okay. Now the fifth 5-year plan was in the year 1974 to 1979. Okay. And here in this plan, if you remember, the top priority was given to agriculture. So I'm just giving you the short points in case if you don't remember. Next to industry, because there was a food shortage, so they thought of focusing. So next to industry and mines. Okay. Now overall the growth rate was almost achieved of 4.4% against 4.8%. Okay. Now who had created this draft? Okay, so let me just wrap this. Let me give you some very highlighting points so that it comes in your question, so you know. So the draft of this plan was prepared and launched by D.P. Dhar. Okay, and again the strange part is this plan was again terminated, so it was again cancelled also. The people didn't like the plan, and when the plan is terminated, it is called as rolling plan. So this is very important. So this plan was terminated in 1978, and rolling plan. So rolling plan is when the plan is terminated and another plan is introduced. Okay, so now this plan was started with an annual plan for 1978-79, because 78, if you remember, it had got terminated, so there had to be some secondary plan. It's called as rolling plan, and as a continuation of the terminated 5-year plan. So the 5-year plan was terminated, and then there was another rolling plan introduced from 1978-79, so that the plan would continue. Okay, now coming to the 6th. So this was a very interesting plan that once it got terminated and again it got, a rolling plan came and introduced itself in the year 1978-79. Okay, so now we can go with the 6th 5-year plan. So I'll give you some interesting points of each and every plan so that you remember. Okay, so now I'll come to the 6th 5-year plan. Okay, now here its duration was from 1980 to 1985. What was the basic objective? So let me write down that also. So basic objective of this plan was again poverty eradication. So poverty eradication was a basic point here. Okay, and yes, we had to give some focus to technology. So technological self-reliance. Okay, and this plan, it was based, it's very interesting. So this is now one more highlighting point. So it was based on investment yojana. Okay, infrastructural changing and trend to growth model. Okay, and what was the growth rate? So the growth, let me write it down here, I've got some space. So the growth target rate was 5.2%, but we achieved, it was really good, superb, we achieved 5.7%. So it was definitely a success. Yes, the 6th 5-year plan was a success. Okay, now we can move on to the 7th 5-year plan. Yes, just let me rub this, clear this. Yes, so 7th 5-year plan. Now its duration was from 1985 to 1990. What was the objective? Let me see quickly. Okay, it include self-sufficient economy, opportunities for productive employment, and for the first time, this is very important, for the first time the private sector, so initially before that all government sector were given priority, but this was the first time the private sector got the priority over public sector. Okay, so what was the growth rate? Target growth rate was 5.0%, but this also achieved, since private sector's also involvement was there, so don't forget. So but it achieved 6.0%. Okay, now what about the annual plans? Because remember we had started the rolling plan. So what is the rolling plan? It's a yearly plan, annual plan. So let's talk about the annual plan of the 8th 5-year plan. Was there any annual plan? So let's see this. Let me just wrap this quickly. Okay, so annual plans. Okay, so 8th 5-year plan could not take place due to, there was a lot of disturbance in the political scenario. Okay, so I'm writing that only, due to the volatile political situation at the center. So there was a huge problem, and there was central government, and there was a shifting of government also. So there was very instability of the government, and there was a lot of political situation going on at the center. So because of this, so 2 annual programs are formed in 1990, 91 and 1991, 92. Okay,